So I will ask questions first to Yang Jianxin, or Tony Yang, or Antonio Maestrado Lim. Mr. Yang, kailan po kayo dumating sa Pilipinas? When did you come to the Philippines?
请问杨先生，您什么时候过来菲律宾？
我大概是在1998还是1999年？
That was around 1998 or 1999.
So 1998 or 1999, you have been here for a quarter of a century or 26 years.
Yes, that's correct. Around 25 to 26 years.
Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-Pilipino?
Tagalog, Bisaya, may kunti-kunti. Ganyan.
Yes, Tagalog, Bisaya, only a